how I learn. Again, I understand how I learn. For example, a student knows they focus better when listening to music while studying in their room rather than in a quiet library. Again, sabot na siya. Sa niya pag-learn. I understand how I learn. Sige, let's go back sa mga clues. Sa kaya sa declarative? Knowing how it works. Okay, how about sa procedural?
Knowing how to use what works.
Then self-regulating?
Knowing when and why to use strategies.
Metacognitive?
Knowing how to think and learning.
How I think and learning.
Okay,
Thinking and learning ko yan. Nakuha ko siya. Okay. So let's proceed. So think smart, smarter, metacognitive challenge. Instructions. Hindi naman i-distribute. Wala na yung brain. The teacher will distribute or will show a scenario. Saan siya? India. Students classify each scenario picture na lang into the different types of knowledge in the metacognition process. Justify using exact memorized phrase from the drill. Ato lang predict how shifting from cognition to metacognition will change the learning outcome. Again, metacognition about thinking, processes, solutions. Acquiring, organizing, and using knowledge, while metacognition, awareness and regulation of one's own processes. Thinking processes. So, ano siya ang scenario? Paliwan ko. So, identify ninyo again ang sa akin mo. Classify each scenario into the different types. Ganyan kini type. Hindi ko pa. Then justify using memorized phrases. Justify lang ninyo kung declarative na siya. Procedural. Then predict. Basta lang yung 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Stop.